Today, we will be discussing 10 amazing handmade business ideas that you can start to make money. These ideas are not only creative but also very profitable. So make sure to write down your favorite ideas. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Handmade home decor items. Homeowners are increasingly looking to enhance their living spaces with stylish and personalized touches, creating a high demand for unique and trendy decor items. Here are some handmade home decor ideas for inspiration. The first is macrame wall hangings. Macrame is a beautiful art form that involves creating intricate patterns using knots. Next is hand-painted plant pots. These add a pop of style to homes and indoor gardens. You can choose to sell minimalistic plant pots or bold statement pieces. Another option is selling candles, but with your own unique twist to stand out. You can cater your candles to be sold as specific gift ideas or catered towards certain holidays. Number 2. Handmade jewelry. Many believe that the handmade jewelry niche is oversaturated, but there is still an opportunity for anyone to thrive in this market. The key is to create items that can separate your handmade jewelry from everyone else so that your business stands out. One unique handmade jewelry business idea is to create stunning polymer earrings using colorful polymer clay that can be molded into various shapes and designs. Another idea is if you are good at crafting with your hands, then you can use thin wire to create intricate and delicate wire-wrapped rings that are unique and eye-catching. You can also hand-make beaded anklets using a variety of colorful beads and charms to create a bohemian-inspired accessory. Number 3. Herbal teas. If you have a green thumb, consider growing your own herbs and creating custom herbal tea blends. Packaging them in cute jars or tins can make them even more appealing. Number 4. Handmade clothing. Design and create hand-embroidered items, crochet or knit clothing, or hand-sewn accessories. Handmade knitwear is in high demand. Consider offering a range of styles, from chunky oversized sweaters to embroidered designs. You can also branch out and offer handmade accessories like hats, bags, and socks to complement your clothing line. Number 5. Handmade travel bags and accessories. Design and create high-quality, custom travel bags and accessories. Handcrafted leather duffel bags are the perfect accessory for travelers looking for a stylish and durable option to carry their belongings. These bags can be customized with different colors and sizes to suit the needs of each customer. Fabric tote bags are versatile and practical for any traveler. Handmade fabric tote bags come in a variety of patterns and styles, making them a popular choice if you want to offer unique and personalized accessories. Canvas backpacks are a classic choice for travelers who need a sturdy bag to carry their essentials. Handmade canvas backpacks can be customized with different pockets, straps, and closures to meet the specific needs of the customer. Number 6. Handmade beauty products. There will always be a demand for people looking for natural handmade beauty products without the harsh chemicals and ingredients. Create your own all-natural lip balms and scrubs using ingredients like coconut oil, shea butter, and essential oils. These products are easy to make and can cater to customers looking for a gentle and effective way to care for their lips. Handmade bath bombs and bath salts are a popular product if you want to offer a luxurious product line. You can experiment with different scents and colors to create unique and customized products. People are becoming increasingly interested in using natural oils and serums to care for their skin. You can create your own blends using ingredients like jojoba oil, rosehip oil, and vitamin E to cater to customers looking for a more natural skincare routine. Handmade body butters and lotions are a great way to nourish and moisturize the skin. You can create custom blends using ingredients like shea butter, cocoa butter, and avocado oil to cater to customers with different skin types and preferences. Number 7. Handmade stationery. If you are a creative person, then selling handmade stationery can be perfect for you. One unique idea is to sell customized wax seals for envelopes, invitations, and packaging. This unique touch adds a classic and elegant flair to any correspondence. You can also create customized notepads, journals, and greeting cards using handmade paper. These items make for beautiful and sustainable stationery options. Another idea is to provide hand-lettered calligraphy for invitations, place cards, and signage. This personalized touch adds a sophisticated and artistic element to any event. Number 8. Handcrafted wooden items. Woodworking is a timeless craft that has been passed down through generations. Handmade wooden products have a special charm that mass-produced items just can't replicate. If you are skilled at carving and wood craftsmanship, then you can offer handmade wooden products. Wooden coasters are used to protect surfaces and style. These unique accessories can be customized with different wood finishes and designs. Wooden keychains is another business idea. These unique accessories can be personalized with initials, logos, or other designs. Wooden furniture is another home decor item that is highly searched for, plus it has high profit margins. Wooden cutting boards are durable and functional kitchen accessories that customers look for. You can customize with different wood types and finishes. Number 9. Handmade bakery and desserts. Open a bakery or confectionery shop that focuses on using natural and locally sourced ingredients. You can also offer handmade pastries, cakes, and desserts that are unique and delicious. A specialty cupcake shop can attract customers looking for tasty treats for special occasions by offering unique flavors and beautifully decorated cupcakes. You can specialize in handmade artisan chocolates using high-quality ingredients that can appeal to customers looking for luxurious and decadent treats. Another idea is to create custom cakes for weddings, birthdays, and other special events, which can be another lucrative business idea for those with a talent for baking and decorating. Selling gourmet cookies in a variety of flavors and styles can set your bakery apart from the competition and attract cookie lovers of all kinds. Or how about catering to the growing demand for vegan baked goods? With more and more people looking for gluten-free options, a bakery specializing in gluten-free baked goods can cater to this niche market. Number 10. Handmade pet accessories. Selling pet accessories is a great business idea because it allows for endless customization and personalization for pet owners looking to pamper their furry companions. Handmade products often have a unique and special touch that sets them apart from mass-produced items. This appeals to consumers who value craftsmanship and individuality. Additionally, there is a growing market for high-quality, ethically made pet products as more people prioritize the well-being and comfort of their pets. By offering handmade accessories, you can cater to this demand and create a loyal customer base who appreciates the attention to detail and care put into each item. Overall, the handmade pet accessories business provides a creative and fulfilling opportunity to tap into the passion that pet owners have for their beloved animals. With some creativity and determination, you can turn your handmade business idea into profit. For more inspiration, we have lots of other handmade business ideas on this channel and step-by-step tutorials teaching you how to start your own handmade business. Starting your own handmade business can be a challenging yet rewarding journey. Remember, the key to success is consistency and dedication. Embrace your unique talents and creativity, and let them guide you towards creating a business that is not only rewarding but profitable. Trust in yourself and your abilities, and the possibilities are endless. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and I will see you in our next video.